गोंयांत लोकांक कायद्याचो भंय ना. लोक स्वच्छता भलायके खातीर न्हय जाल्यार तालाव पडचो न्हय म्हणून पुलिसांक पळयतकीच हेल्मेट घालतात अशें येरादारी पुलीस अधीक्षक बोसेट दा सिल्वा म्हणटा. आनी समज हेल्मेट नासत जाल्यार येरादारी पुलिसांक पळोवन यू टर्न घेवन पळ काडटात. आनी ह्याच कारणांक लागून अपघाताचें प्रमाण वाडपाक लागलां. पूण तांकां आपल्या जिवाचो भंय ना अशें म्हणीत सिल्वान खंत उक्तायली. तशेंच हेल्मेट घालप सक्तीचें आनी गरजेचें आसाच, पूण ताचेच वांगडा त्या हेल्मेटाचो बेल्ट लेगीत लावप तितलेंच गरजेचें आसा. देखून जो दुचाकी चालक हेल्मेटाचे बेल्ट घालिनासतना भोंवता जाल्यार अशा लोकांचेर कारवाय करपाचे आदेश सिल्वा हांणी येरादारी पुलिशेक दिल्यात.
Many factors for this. One is in Goa, people can't respect for laws. Helmets, they don't strap the helmets. They only keep the helmets. When they cross the police who are enforcing, they put it on. That is why we have instructed helmet without strap, you treat it as no helmet. In fact, today I had gone to the site of yesterday's accident. Because we were there standing and inspecting people coming without helmet, they were taking U-turns and going. There is always a possibility because it's a single lane. When you take a U-turn, you may hit oncoming traffic. But they are least bothered. Ultimately, you people would have blamed us, saying you all were there for enforcement. That is why they were taking U-turns. It would have again come to our doorstep. Challans, fines, penalties have increased. You start shouting when challans are issued. They always in Goa, they like to take shortcuts. They do not go to the roundabout.